Hi, welcome to class for everyone. I'm Roldan and Corpus. We're going to divide fractions. First is the proper and improper fractions. Suppose we have an example 1. That is 3/5 divided by 6 over 8. Now in division of fractions, we're going to get the reciprocal of the divisor and then multiply it to the dividend. So the first that we have to do is to make this division a multiplication and then get the reciprocal, that is 8 over 6. The next thing that we're going to do is just like what we have done in multiplication. Find if there is a common factor between the numerator and the denominator. There is a common factor of 3. So we'll divide this by 3. This becomes 1. This becomes 2. Now, find if there is still any common factor between the numerator and the denominator. There's none here, but there is a common factor. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So this will be 4. This will be 1. So in the numerator, it's just 1 times 4. And then denominator 5 times 1. The answer in lowest term is 4 over 5. Now, another example is when we have an improper fraction 12 over 5 divided by 36 over 15. Again, we're going to find for the reciprocal of the divisor and then multiply it. 12 over 5 times the reciprocal is 15 over 36. There's no common factor here. There is a common factor here. So divide this by the common factor, which is 12. This becomes 1. And this will be 3. Find if there is still any common factor. 15 and 5 have a common factor of 5. So this became 1. This becomes 3. 3 and 3 still have a common factor. So what is left in the numerator is 1 times 1. The denominator is 1 times 1. So the final answer is 1. Example number 3. So, suppose we have this improper fraction 33 over 7 divided by 11 over 21. So, we'll get the reciprocal of 11 over 21, which is 21 over 11. And then multiply it to 33 over 7. Find if there is a common factor. No common factor. There is a common factor of 11. So, this will be 3. This will be 1. There is a common factor of 7. 21 divided by 7 is 3. And 7 divided by 7 is 1. So, numerator, 3 times 3 is 9. Denominator, 1 times 1. So, the final answer is 9.